Hello everyone, welcome to this channel CSR Net Life Science, and this is a syllabus for plant physiology. Before starting this syllabus, I want to say that अगर आपको किसी और भी सब्जेक्ट का सिलेबस चाहिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए, क्योंकि जो ICR का एग्ज़ाम है ARS और नेट और STO के लिए कम से कम उसमें 20 से 30 सब्जेक्ट हैं। तो मुझे जिसके कमेंट आप सजेस्ट करते जाएंगे मैं उस पर सिलेबस के लिए वीडियो बनाती जाऊंगी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी से, जिसकी पहली यूनिट है सेल ऑर्गेनेल एंड वाटर रिलेशन। Cell organelle and their physiological function, structure, physiological function of cell wall, cell illusions, cell inclusions, cell membrane, structure and function, water and its role in plant, properties and function of water in cell, relation, water potential of plant cell, mechanism of plant uptake by roots, transport in root, movement of water in plant, water loss from plant, energy balance, solar energy, input energy, dissipation at crop canopy level. Evapotranspiration, plant factor influencing the transpiration rate, stomata and structure function, mechanism of stomatal movement, anti-transpirants, physiology of water, high temperature and salinity stress in plant, influencing of water stress at cell organ plant canopy level and indicates for assessment of drought resistance. Unit number second is metabolism process and growth regulation, energy and work, free energy and chemical potential, redox reaction and the electrochemical potential, enzyme classification and mechanism of action, factor affecting the enzyme action, gene expression and protein turnover, plant photosynthesis, translocation and respiration as a key process regulation, carbon metabolism and plant growth. So photosynthesis and the bioproductivity, photochemical process, chloroplast, its structure, cam plant and their significance, rubisco structure and regulation, photorespiration and its significance, CO fixation as a diffusive process, effect of environmental factor on photosynthetic rate, synthesis of source starch, oligo and polysaccharide, translocation of photosynthesis and its important in zinc growth, mitochondrial respiration and maintenance respiration, cyanide resistance respiration and its significance, nitrogen metabolism, for which I also upload the video in my channel. You can search this video on biological nitrogen fixation, and uh, I also attach the link of this video in description box. So inorganic nitrogen resistance respiration and its significance, nitrogen metabolism in, sorry, I repeat this line, and N2 NO3 NH3 and the reduction, protein synthesis, nucleic acid, sulfate uptake and reduction, lipid metabolism, storage, protective and structural lipids. If I skip some line, so you can note down this syllabus, and I will also upload this syllabus on our Telegram channel CSI Net Life Science, and the link of this channel is also attached in the description box. सॉरी, नाइट्रोजन मेटाबॉलिज्म हाँ हो गया ये। उसके बाद लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म है, स्टोरेज, प्रोटेक्टिव एंड स्ट्रक्चरल लिपिड्स है, सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइज है एंड देयर सिग्निफिकेंस इन प्लांट इफेक्ट मेटाबॉलिज्म, ग्रोथ एंड डिफरेंस yes, growth and difference hormone, concept of growth, differentiation, plant growth hormones, oxygen, gibberellin, cytokinin, ABA, ethylene, biosynthesis of growth hormone and their metabolism, synthesis, growth regulator, growth retardation, apical dominance, sensation and fruit growth, evisceration, photomorphogenesis, photoreceptor, phytohormone, physiology of flowering, Productism and vernalization. Next unit is crop productivity and modeling. So role of the crop physiology in agriculture. Crop growth crop growth and productivity. Crop growth models and describe yield. Duncan and Pesiora. Phenology, crop productivity, growth factor related to the biomass, concept of growth rate, canopy, biosynthesis, leaf area, and net assimilation rates as a determining factor, light in interceptions as a major function of leaf area index, LAD, canopy, architecture, light existence coefficient, relative growth rate, and net assimilation rate, biomass and yield relation, assimilation, partitioning, and yield yield structure analysis, concept of source and sink factor, influencing source and sink size and productivity, environmental factor determining the crop growth, light, temperature, VDP effect to the photoperiodism and thermoperiodism on duration of light stages, ideotype concept selection indicates for improving crop productivity. Unit number 4, abiotic stress response and plant. Abiotic stress affecting the plant productivity and basic principle of a crop management program under the stress interaction between the biotic and abiotic stress, drought characteristics, feature, water potential in soil, plant, air continuum, development of water deficient, energy balance concept, transpiration and its regulation, stomatal function, BDP, physiological process affected by drought resistance mechanism, scab dehydration, postponement, drought avoidance and dehydration tolerance, and characteristics of the resurrection plant, osmotic adjustment, osmoprotectant, stress, protein, water use efficiency as a drought resistant trait, molecular response to the water deficient state, perceptions, expression of regulatory function, gene significance of gene product, stress and hormone, EBA as a signaling molecule, cytokinin as a negative signal, oxidative stress, reactive oxygen species, role of scavenger system, SOD, catalase, high temperature stress tolerance mechanism, role of the membrane lipid in high temperature tolerance, function of HSPs, chilling stress, effect of the physiology process, crucial role of membrane lipid, salinity, species variation, salt tolerance, salinity effect at the cellular and whole plant level, tolerance mechanism, breeding for the salt resistance, heavy metal stress, aluminum and cadmium toxicity in acid soil, role of phytogelatins, heavy metal and bind proteins. Unit number 5 is plant growth regulator and plant development. Plant growth regulator, hormone, endogenous growth substance and synthetic chemical. Endogenous growth regulation substance other than the hormone, brasinosteroids, triacontanol and phenols, polyamines, jasmonates, concept of death hormone classification, site of synthesis, biosynthesis pathway, and the metabolism and influence in plant hormone and development by auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ABA, and ethylene, concept of hormone action, hormone receptor and signal transduction, hormone mutant, hormone regulation of the gene expression at various development stage of a plant, flowering, plant development stage of plant flowering, seed maturity, seed dormancy, action of hormone on cellular function, ऑक्सिन, सेल elongation, जिब्रेलिन के बारे में भी यही बताना है। उसके बाद एथाइलिन, फ्रूट राइपनिंग, मतलब जितने भी हार्मोन्स हैं और उनके जो वर्क हैं, जो उनके एग्जैक्ट फंक्शन हैं, आपको उसके बारे में पढ़ना है। और उसके बाद यस, हाँ, ये इनके यही इनके मेन फंक्शंस हैं। जैसे कि बात करें ऑक्सीजन की, तो उसका मेन फंक्शन सेल एलोंगेशन है। तो उसके मैकेनिज्म के बारे में आपको पढ़ना है, उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आपसे किए जाएंगे। उसकी तरह नेक्स्ट यूनिट इज़ मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन, जिसमें हमें बताना है कि मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट ग्रोथ, क्लासिफिकेशन एंड एसेंशियल क्राइटेरिया, जनरल मैकेनिज्म, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ apparent free space and nature of bio membrane, dual mechanism and the concept of iron uptake, short distance transport pathway, and external solution to sieve across the root cortical cell factor contributing to cell xylem loading, long distance transport in xylem, flow in xylem, unloading in leaf, uptake and release the mineral nutrients by the foliage, rhizosphere and the root biology, root growth, influence the microorganisms, the root nutrient acquisition and release and uptake of mineral root, yield the न्यूट्रिशन, सैलिनिटी, एसिडिटी, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। तो आपको ये सारी चीज़ें पढ़ना है। नेक्स्ट यूनिट है क्लाइमेट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज पर, उसके अंदर आपका ये सिलेबस आएगा। और जो यूनिट नंबर 6 है, इसका काफ़ी पार्ट आपको तेज एंड जेगर प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी की जो बुक है उसमें मिल जाएगा। और क्लाइमेट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, ये आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी ग्रेजुएशन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की बुक से आप पढ़ सकते हैं। ये इसका सिलेबस है। नेक्स्ट यूनिट नंबर 8 है सीड फिजियोलॉजी, आप पढ़ सकते हैं इसको। और उसके बाद है यूनिट नंबर 9 फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग एंड प्रोडक्शन, and last unit is physiology of horticulture and plantation crop species। ये आप देख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है पोस्ट हार्वेस्टिंग, यूनिट नंबर 11। यूनिट नंबर 12 मॉर्फोलॉजी, morphogenesis, tissue culture and plant transformation, morphogenesis of growth and morphogenesis, polarity in tip growing cells and diffusive growth, growing cell, control of cell division, differentiation, phytochrome, different form, physiological effect of gene regulation and cellular totipotency, physiological and biochemistry of differentiation and inorganic cell, tissue and culture, micropropagation strategies, application of tissues culture in agriculture, concept of selection, plant transformation vector concept, agrobacterium is a very important topic, इससे क्वेश्चन पक्का बनेंगे आपके। एंड बाइनरी वेक्टर्स, बायोलिस्टिक electroporation, selection of putative transgenic plant, genetic analysis, PCR, southern analysis, evaluation of transgenic plant. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, or please share this channel and subscribe this channel, and also you can join our Telegram channel for more free notes and book PDFs. Thank you.